Isn't it strange, the poet Giordano Bruno once asked, that across a universe of infinite odds, something out there might still look like us? What if the face of the alien isn't so alien at all? Welcome to Cosmic Mirror, where we reflect on our place in the universe and ask what it means to be human. In September 2023, NASA confirmed something astonishing. On exoplanet K218b, 120 light-years away, they detected dimethyl sulfide, a gas that, on Earth, is only produced by life. In June 2025, some students challenged the Webb telescope finding. The students found through their research that there was less of the gas than was originally found. So both parties are rechecking their work on DMS as scientists often do. No matter who is right, you can't change the abundance of methane and carbon dioxide and shortage of ammonia found by NASA. These support the hypothesis that there may be a water ocean underneath a hydrogen-rich atmosphere in K218b. Here's where it gets truly wild. Theoretical models suggest that if life exists there, or other water worlds in a habitable zone, it might walk upright, use tools, and even see the world as we do. How? 2 words: convergent evolution. And a deeper question still, could we be cosmic relatives? In the constellation of Leo, circling a red dwarf star, K218b is unlike any planet we've studied so far. We also have an ever-expanding directory of super-Earths to look forward to studying. We know K218b is a Hycean world, ocean-covered, with a hydrogen-rich atmosphere. Its size suggests it might be a mini Neptune, yet it exists in the habitable zone, where liquid water could exist. In 2023, the James Webb Space Telescope detected molecules that shouldn't be there unless life was present, including DMS, a compound released by plankton in Earth's oceans. But this isn't just microbial life we're theorizing. Some evolutionary biologists propose that life in liquid-rich, Earth-like conditions may inevitably trend towards similar solutions. What does that mean exactly? Enter convergent evolution, nature's uncanny habit of solving the same problem the same way. Birds and bats both evolved wings. Sharks and dolphins, though unrelated, look strikingly similar. Eyes have evolved independently more than 40 times across different lineages. So what if on K218b, intelligent life evolved in the oceans, but one species ventured onto land? What if gravity, atmosphere, and survival pressures nudged it toward bipedalism? What if hands evolved, not for grasping branches but tools? A humanoid form not born from our DNA, but from the same universal logic. There's a fringe but fascinating theory that takes this even further. That life didn't begin on Earth. It was seeded here. This idea, called panspermia, suggests that microbial life traveled via comets, meteorites, or ancient spacecraft across eons. If true, the life we found on K218b wouldn't just look familiar. It would be family. Not aliens in the Hollywood sense, but distant galactic cousins, with a branch on humanity's family tree, carriers of the same primordial spark. So if they are like us, and we are like them, what does that say about us? Are we alone in our sense of self? Our search for meaning, for connection, for home? Or are those longings woven into the fabric of life itself? Is consciousness not an accident, but a shared destination? We didn't just find alien life, we found a reflection. What if evolution is not random chaos, but an ancient whisper through time? From the first spark in a primordial sea, to beings reaching for the stars across light years, maybe the universe doesn't just birth life. Maybe it remembers it. Maybe it remembers us. If this journey stirred something in you, consider subscribing to Cosmic Mirror. Every week we explore the vastness of space and the depths of consciousness. Drop a comment below. Do you think life out there could really resemble us? And if so, would we recognize them as kin? Until next time, stay curious and stay cosmic.